Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chapter Wise GK, the only YouTube channel to provide GK by chapter. Now in this video I will discuss with you some important MCQ which are very important for upcoming examinations. So if you find the content helpful, then please like, share and subscribe the channel to support me. Before wasting the time, let's go to the questions. Question number 1: which is the first national park established in India? Options are here: Velvadan National Park, Periyar National Park, Corbett National Park, and Bundipur National Park. The correct answer is Corbett National Park. Kindly note down that Jim Corbett National Park, named after the hunter and conservationist Jim Corbett, is the oldest national park in India, and it was established in 1936 as Hali National Park in the Nainital district of Uttarakhand. Question may come from the bulletin point. Okay. Next question: where is the Forest Research Institute of India located? Dehradun, Delhi, Bhopal, Lucknow. The correct answer is Dehradun. Okay. Remember that Forest Research Institute of India is located in Dehradun in Uttarakhand. It was founded as the Imperial Forest Research Institute. Okay, kindly note it down that it was founded as Imperial Forest Research Institute. Question number 3: India is the largest producer of. The correct answer is obviously mica. Remember that India produces approximate 96% of world's mica. It's an indispensable component in electric industry. Okay. Question number 4: Mijuli, the largest river island in the world, lies in the state of Assam, Mizoram, Tripura, and Arunachal Pradesh. The correct answer is Assam. Kindly note down that Mijuli, the largest river island in the world, is in the Brahmaputra river in Assam. The island was formed due to course change of the river and its tributary, mainly the tributary Lohit. And Mijuli is the adobe of the Assamese new voice native culture. Okay. Question number 5: the largest irrigational canal in India is called. We know all the answer. Indira Gandhi Canal. It starts from the Harike Barrage at Sultanpur, a few kilometers below the confluence of Sutlej and Beas River in the Punjab state. Okay. Most of the part of the canal lies in the district of Rajasthan. Remember that above 70% of the canal lies in the district of Rajasthan. Question number 6: Surat is situated on the banks of the river Tapti. Surat, previously known as Surjapur, is a well-developed commercial city in Gujarat. Remember that it's known as the diamond capital of world and textile capital of the India. It's also known as the embroidery capital of India. Question number 7: which state is called the rice bowl of India? The correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is historically called the rice bowl of India, with more than 77% of its crop being rice. Remember that four important rivers, Godavari, Krishna, Pena and Tungabhadra, flows in Andhra Pradesh. Okay. The highest waterfall of India is. It's a very important question. The answer is Bajrai Falls. The Vajrai Falls near the city of Sutara is the highest waterfall in India with a height of 840 feet. 1840 feet. Jog Falls in Karnataka is the second highest plunge waterfall in India. Remember that. Question number 9: the production of onion is the highest in the state? The answer is Maharashtra. Remember that India ranks second in the production of onion just after China, and Maharashtra is the leading onion producing state in India. Question number 10. Name the longest lake in India. The answer is Vemband Lake. Okay, remember that Vemband Lake is the highest lake in India with a length of 95.6 kilometer and with a surface area of 2033. Remember that the famous Nehru Trophy boat race is conducted here. Okay. Uh, Question number 11. Which one of the following industry is known as the sunrise industry? It's also very important questions and is frequently asked in many competitive examinations. The correct answer is information technology. Okay, let's know the what is the term sunrise industry used for. The term used is used for the business or industry which is at infancy stage, that is the which is its starting stage but growing with a rapid pace. Okay, it's mostly used in the context of technology industry which has grown at great pace recent time. Question number 12. The daily weather map of India is prepared and printed at, the very important question, it's Pune. Remember that daily weather map of India is prepared and printed at the National Data Center of Indian Meteorological Department, that's IMD at Pune. Daily weather reports and daily weather maps for India is printed from here, available since 1878. Question number 13. Where is the Indian National Rail Museum situated? Okay, it's another very important question for you. The correct answer is Delhi. Remember that it's situated in Chanakyapuri, New Delhi, and focuses on rail heritage. Opened and it was opened on 1st February 1977 AD, and it's an amalgamation of rare steam locomotives, railway artifacts, and static and working model of variety of train in India. Question number 13. The largest tribal community in India. It's Santhal. Remember that Santhals are the largest tribal community in India who live mainly in the state of Jharkhand, West Bengal, Bihar, Orissa, and Assam. And also remember that Vils comes after Santhal. Okay. Which of the following is the largest biosphere reserve of India? The answer is Gulf of Mannar. Remember that Gulf of Mannar is located in Tamil Nadu. It's one of the South Asia's largest biosphere reserves. It extends from Rameswaram Island in the north to Kanyakumari in the south of Tamil Nadu and Sri Lanka. It's spread over an area of above 10,000 kilometers. Okay. Question number 15. What is the India's ranks in the world in milk production? It's a very important question. All Indians should know the answer. The answer is first. India is the world's largest milk producing country in the world. Around 22% of world production is conducted in India, and India is followed by USA, that's United States of America, then China, then Pakistan and Brazil. So this was all the 15 questions which I thought it will help you in scoring better for your upcoming examinations. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. watching the video till the end. Have a great day. Bye bye.